and welcome back to Powell Design channel. As usual, if it is your first time on this channel, please consider to subscribe. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way on how to stabilize your shaky video. I want to show you an easy way on how to stabilize your shaky video without using any downloaded app or without using any app in your phone. So there is a simple way on how to stabilize your video, and so let's get into it. So first of all, go and open Google Photos. Go and open Google Photos, or rather Gallery, Google Gallery. Go and open Google Gallery, then come to the folder that has the video, the shaky video you have, the footage. Now let's select my footage. So as you see, this footage is so shaky, it is shaking, but now let me show you the trick. So if you click while it is playing, you see there is something like equalizer at the middle of the video, of your screen bottom. So here is where you click, and then it brings you to another screen like this. So there is another box here with a shaky, after export frame on your right, there is a box, small box here. So just come and click there, it will tell you stabilizing. So already you are stabilizing your video. So now let's wait and see the final work. So let's see how the final work is after stabilizing. Now you notice and you realize that now it is stable, it is not as shaky as it was. So what do? You're gonna save the copy. So we have saved the copy. So once again, let's play the shaky video and see how it looks like. So that is, you see, even at the beginning, just look at the beginning how it is shaking. And so now let's go to the folder and see the final project after edit. Let's see how it is. So you see the beginning is so smooth, the beginning is so smooth. This is the final edit after stabilizing. So I hope you've learned something, and it is just something that is so simple. It is found in your phone. You don't need to worry about, oh gosh, I've recorded my video and it is so shaky, it is so shaking, now what am I going to do? Now you know what to do. You don't need to trouble yourself. You don't need to worry so much. There is a simple way on how to do it, and that is the way I've shown you. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'm bringing you new contents and more and amazing contents.